How to plant Gotu Kola in a pot to change ornamental plants at home. Gotu Kola is known by the scientific name Satella asiatica, commonly known as Satella, Brommi, Asiatic pennywort or Gotu Kola, included in the group of annual herbaceous plants of the flowering plant family Apiaceae. Gotu Kola is thought to come from wetlands in the Asian region that are used as culinary vegetables and herbal ingredients. One story says that this plant makes a person live long, where Li Shigyu can reach the age of 256 years. This story is documented in Chinese government records. Shigyu was born in 1677 and died in 1933. According to the story, people who knew him said that Li Shigyu didn't look older, like 50 years old. Even his former mentor was able to live up to the age of 500 years. Because of this story, Gotu Kola is called a living spring, which is also an Ayurvedic herb. Satella asiatica herbs are believed to improve mental clarity and make longevity. It also can improve brain function by stimulating nerve growth. 1. Characteristics of Gotu Kola plant. Generally, Gotu Kola plant can grow in tropical regions, so it is not difficult to cultivate. Gotu Kola is found around rice fields and around moist places such as trenches or streams of water, and some even grow under shady trees or are protected from direct sunlight. The characteristics of Gotu Kola plant that has the shape of a slender stem, creeping, green to reddish green. The leaves are round green, almost like a fan shape, have a smooth texture with a meshed vein. The leaf is supported by 2 cm pericladial petioles. The lower part of the stem consists of a rhizome that grows vertically down. Gotu Kola has white or red to pink flowers that appear on small round bunches near the surface of the soil. Solid Gotu Kola, but different from hydrocotyl species that have smooth and ribbed fruit. Satella asiatica, including aquatic plants, very sensitive to biological and chemical pollution in water. So it needs to be considered to maintain the condition of the water is maintained. In addition, Gotu Kola is known to have no taste or smell even though it grows around a trench. There are several types of Gotu Kola that are often found, including red Gotu Kola and green Gotu Kola. Red Gotu Kola is found in rocky, dry and open areas, while green Gotu Kola is found in many rice fields and on the grass. The development of green Gotu Kola is in a slightly moist and open area or somewhat protected from sunlight. There are 4 types of plants that resemble Gotu Kola, including Attar kembak, Attar burit, Attar gug and Attar air. 2. How to plant cultivation of Gotu Kola in a pot. Gotu Kola plants can be cultivated by spreading the seeds. However, generally the cultivation of Gotu Kola seeds is very slow. It takes around 2 to 5 months to germinate. Very small sprouts and maximum growth, so that adult plants take up to 3 months. At that age, Gotu Kola can be harvested or left to continue to grow. To accelerate growth and harvest time, Gotu Kola cultivation can be done by transfer. Take part of the plant that propagates and takes root, then cut each segment into one section. This rooted segment is propagated so that later Gotu Kola can propagate. Gotu Kola cultivation can be done on an economical scale or planted to be used as an ornamental plant in pots. Planting media that can be used for planting pagagar in pots is using humus or planting media that is easy to store water. Place the plant in a shady place and protect it from direct sunlight. When in cold climates or in highlands, plants should be brought in and placed in a window facing south. This plant does not need additional fertilizer, just use organic compost to accelerate growth. How to harvest Gotu Kola is like other vegetable crops. Cut the base of the leaf using scissors so as not to damage the plant. Gotu Kola can be harvested after 3 months. The growth of this plant is fast, so it can be used as one of the economically valuable cultivation. This is our video that discusses how to grow Gotu Kola in pots for ornamental plants at home. Hopefully the video that we present can be useful for all of us. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.